Hi everyone, good morning to all. My name is Elias Kingdom and welcome back to my YouTube channel Speak English with Elias. Friends, today I woke up at 4 o'clock and soon after waking up I went for exercise and did my morning walk and exercise. Today I felt very energetic in the morning, but now, as you all know that now it is the summer season and during summer it is really hot, and so this is a gift of nature, so we cannot do anything. Only even if it is challenging and hot, I am embracing the situation and trying to make my day best. So for a long time I have not made any videos regarding English learning. I also could not practice my English because of several reasons, but one way it is called, you can say that I did negligence on my activities. Every day I plan out for English practice. There are so many activities in my to-do list, but many activities, and this English practice is always ahead of them, but I ignore that practice and I could not practice. But now I thought this morning that by all means I will try to practice my English so that one day I will be a fluent speaker. By watching my videos how I am speaking, you know that I am stucking somewhere, I am making so many mistakes, but I will be consistent now from now onwards. I will never lose my heart, I will never forget to practice my English. By all means, at least for 5 minutes I am determining to do this activity. So when others speaking fluently, they have started from zero onwards and they are now in high level. They are now a fluent speaker. By watching them, I get really inspired. I like them, and if I go on practicing, I also can be a fluent speaker. So though it is very heat and what to say, the summer season is really challenging time. We don't feel like do anything, we don't feel like doing anything, or we feel like sitting in one place somewhere in cold shade, and the main activities we don't feel like doing because of the heat, unbearable heat. But now I cannot go out and make videos and do practice, therefore I am shooting this video in my room and trying to be consistent on English speaking. Friends, I do not have a special camera to record videos. Somehow I am recording this video with this my smartphone. It is an old one, but somehow I think it will help me to go in my English journey, go ahead in my English journey. So friends, every day I will try my best, and I expect you and request as well as to correct my video sentences which help me to go in my English journey ahead. So friends, how you feel about me and my speaking journey, please comment in the comment section. And if you can love me by sharing my videos to your friends, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. For next video, please take care. Bye bye. Thank you.